Yes, dear students. So, in the last class, we started chapter 3, The Clever Weaver. I hope half of the story is clear to you. So, let's revise. So, we started with the king introduction that the king was very wise and he gave judgments, listened to the complaint of his people, and on that particular day, he was very relaxed as there were very few cases to deal with. As he was about to take rest in his chamber, suddenly the minister came into his chamber for the permission to receive the ambassador of a powerful emperor who was greatly feared by the neighboring kingdom. The king granted the permission and ordered them to make special arrangement in his honor. Then he settled himself on his throne and wondering that what the messenger had to say. Then the ambassador entered into the court and greeted the king. The king offered him a special seat and waited patiently to know the purpose of his visit. But the messenger, or you can say envoy, said nothing. And suddenly he bent down on the floor and drawn a black circle all around it, and then he sat down on his seat and he took no further notice of anyone. His behavior was so strange that it completely showed that he was hardly interested to say a single word. The king and his courtiers, they were very confused at his strange behavior, and the king desperately wanted to know the reason behind it, or he ordered his ministers. And he ordered his ministers to solve this puzzle till the sunset, otherwise, he will give punishment to all. As the king gave warning to all, the ministers got scared as they knew that the king was a man of word. So they quickly divided the areas into districts and visit each house in the kingdom to meet someone who is able to solve the strange puzzle given by the ambassador or the messenger of great emperor. After that, after that, what happened? One of the minister found an empty cottage where where what he found, he found a swing swinging by itself. Then he began to open the door, and that leads to another room where he found a second swing. And what was the miracle? Further, he noticed that a tree was moving continuously without any wind. The tree's branches and leaves are continuously moving without any wind to frighten away the sparrows. It was a miracle for him, and he thought that the owner must be very intelligent, and maybe he was at right place where the owner is the only person who is able to solve this puzzle created by the envoy. So when he went downstairs, he found a workshop in which he found a weaver. And I told you, weaver was a person who weaves the fabric. Okay. So when the minister saw the great wheel standing in the corner, he guessed that he hoped that he was at the right place. So without wasting the time, he told the story of Inway and circle made by him to the weaver. Then he added also that whosoever is able to solve the puzzle created by the ambassador or envoy, he will be rewarded by the king. So he requested him to come with him as there is no time to waste. Weaver stood thinking for a moment, and then he agreed to go along with the minister. What he took along with him when he left his place to the courtroom? He took two knuckle bones along with the hen from the coop, and went to the courtroom. Now let's see what happened in the courtroom. In the royal court,